So my name's John and I'm the sales director at ReAgent. In my role, I'm the leader of the sales team. We focus primarily on our customer service, giving the customers the best service possible.
My name's Shirley and I'm the product development chemist at ReAgent. My role is to develop and improve a product for a customer.
My name's Darren, I'm the technical director at ReAgent. So my role at ReAgent involves heading up the technical team.
I'm Jo and I'm the finance director here at ReAgent. So my role at ReAgent is looking after the financial health of the business and ensuring that all financial obligations are met.
My name's Christopher Dodd, I'm the warehouse and logistic manager at ReAgent Chemicals. My role in supporting customers would be to ensure that they get their products on time in a saleable manner.
I'm Kerry, I'm customer service at ReAgent.
My name's Kyle and I'm a sales administrator for ReAgent. My main role at ReAgent is to be customers' first point of contact. That's when they call or when they email. Can be something simple like just requesting a C of A, an invoice, or it can be asking where their order's up to. It can be up to any query really that they have.
A big part of what we do is to work with clients to understand what their requirements are. The different clients have very different quality requirements, and it's important that we work to the correct quality standards. So somebody making a medical device will have a very different needs to someone that's making an industrial product.
When we get a new inquiry, which is a brand new product for ourselves, we will arrange a meeting with our technical team and development chemists, and we will go through the project with them. We'll give them the requirements that the customer requires, what they're looking for the end product, and we will then get the information from the technical team, what products and raw materials we can use, what packaging it can go into, the lead time it's going to take for it to be produced.
We support customers in the way where we ensure smooth supply chain management. We deal with customers on a daily basis, whether they want more credit limit or discuss their terms. And we try to support them.
Our most common customer needs and requirements is pricing, availability, lead time. So we try and get that information within the first 24 hours off them, so we can feed that back into them. New inquiries, it's set in the time frame. We'll look to have you a sample within the next X amount of weeks. If it's straight into orders or quotes, we'll get the quote out within 24 hours and hopefully the order will be placed.
A lot of the customer needs and challenges I help with will be working to their specifications. So they might want a pallet which is no higher than 1.2 metres, the amount of shrink wrap they want on it, the amount of actual pallet strapping they need.
Often customers will come to us because they maybe had a problem with a previous supplier, and that could be around availability or it could be about the quality of the product. We've had a number of customers that have come to us where the product wasn't performing as it should have done. So what we do is we listen to those concerns, and that we will ensure that the processes that we put in place will be robust, and we will take steps and measures to make sure that we can prevent those types of issues happening.
I may not have the answer for them straight away, but I'll always sort of work to get them their answer. Once their order's on, any other queries from there I can assist with, or
I tend to keep an eye on their orders once it's gone on the system, ensuring that we're going to meet the promise date that they've been given.
What makes our approach to customer service unique is that we are a family business, and as a family business we make them customers part of the family. We help them with every step of the way with all the products that we make. We'd let them come into the business as well so that they can see how their product's being made. We can also help them with improvements, anything that they wish to do. They can come and tell us how they think it should be improved, and we will help in all aspects of that.
What makes our approach to customers unique is our open and honesty with them.
Our approach to customer service is unique because we are easily accessible. You can pick up the phone, send us an email, and you will get a quick response from us. Yeah, anything really, we're happy to answer any queries that a customer may have.
And we'll continue to be honest and transparent in all communication with you.
Our approach to customer service at ReAgent is unique because it isn't only our sales teams that have a real strong focus on the customer. Our technical team, quality team, production team, we all put the customer first. We're all absolutely committed to ensuring that our customers get first-class customer service whenever they deal with us.